Visiting the Louvre in 2026? Your ticket just got more expensive if you're not from the EU. In this video, we talk about the planned overhaul of the Louvre Museum and what it will cost you.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by Amidst. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance.
French President Emmanuel Macron recently unveiled plans for a major overhaul, promising a more enjoyable experience for all, but with a twist for those traveling from outside the European Union. Macron announced a multi-million-euro renovation project aimed at tackling overcrowding and modernizing the Louvre Museum's aging infrastructure. This means smoother access, improved facilities, and a more comfortable atmosphere for everyone. The Mona Lisa, Leonardo da Vinci's enigmatic masterpiece, is getting a brand new dedicated space with separate access. This will alleviate the congestion around the iconic pyramid entrance, which currently handles double the number of visitors it was designed for. While these enhancements are a win for art enthusiasts, there's a catch. Starting next year, visitors from outside the EU will pay a higher entrance fee. The exact amount is yet to be announced. The funds raised will contribute to the massive renovation project, ensuring the Louvre remains a world-class destination. This ambitious project will be funded through a combination of the Louvre's own resources, including ticket sales, sponsorships, and revenue from its sister museum in Abu Dhabi. This means that French taxpayers won't bear the cost. This much-needed renovation comes after Louvre President Laurence Descartes recently highlighted the museum's urgent need for upgrades. From water leaks and failing infrastructure to temperature fluctuations that threaten priceless artworks, the Louvre's aging structure requires significant attention. So, if you're planning a trip to Paris and dreaming of visiting the Louvre, be prepared for a higher fee, particularly if you're coming from outside the EU. Do you have plans to visit France? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.